5. Vision. She was a very modern, attractive young woman in her 20s. While in bed with her lover, her husband came home unexpectedly, thrashed the adulterer soundly and threw him out. Meanwhile, the young woman called the police and, when they arrived, demanded that they arrest her husband. Why? Because, she said, he had violated her privacy and her rights. She was outraged when the police refused to do anything, and she wondered what the world was coming to. Surprised? You should not be. Proverbs 29:18 in the Berkeley version reads, quote, "Where there is no vision, the people run wild, but happy is he who keeps the law." End quote. The meaning of vision is prophetic ministry which faithfully preaches the word of God, so that the people, by means of God's law, have a lamp and a light for their way, and therefore vision. That vision is now gone with countless people, and like this young adulteress, their ideas of rights are governed by sin rather than the law of God. The young woman became very angry and bitter about what she regarded as the failure of the police. To her, something was wrong with a social order which failed to protect the quote-unquote freedom of someone like herself. The social order was repressive and hostile to freedom, she felt. She is not alone. Millions agree with her. As a result, people are running wild, and the social order is perishing because there is no vision. And there can only be vision if the word of God is faithfully preached and faithfully heeded. There are many voices speaking today and many things to listen to. Are you listening to the word of God, or are you, like that young woman, without vision, deliberately blinding yourself by neglecting the word of God?